In opening the doors of this gallery, in honor of Gani for all the trouble that he went through in benefit of the common man and for the good of Nigeria. He lived for the people, he died for the people, and he lived and died in cause of fighting for a better Nigeria for all of us. He died an inspiration for those that will continue to struggle for the benefit.
How are you? Good morning.
Of the other Nigerians and for the better.
How are you, ma? Well done, ma.
This is the first step we have the bringing it up. That's where you see our kids out. This is presented this was taken 8 years ago. This is the first step.
Carry anything cheaper because of tribe, because of religion, because of gender. We all pay the same price. When I walked in here today, I did ask my sister, I said, is there any place Yorubas buy food cheaper so I can go there and buy it? Say, is there anywhere they buy Gari cheaper? He said no. And I said, we're all one. Yes. And we must work, especially for the benefit of the average Nigerian. We want a society where a child of nobody, like Gani, will become someone to be celebrated, and urge you to continue the struggle from where this wonderful Nigerian started. Thank you, and may God bless all of us. Amen.